is Africa's premium experience destination. World-class gorilla trekking, mice tourism, and conservation hospitality that makes the country a high-end ecotourism leader. Today, we are strategically positioned to connect you to the world, because Rwanda doesn't just open gates, it opens ways to experience the African continent. Beyond building roads and industries, we are raising dynamism. From high-standard infrastructure to talent development, Rwanda is growing its reputation as a hub of vibrancy. Rwanda is ranked #1 in Africa for ease of doing business. Register your company in just 6 hours and own 100% of it, without restrictions on capital flows. Through limitless opportunities across key sectors, Rwanda is moving up, from importer to regional supplier. With investor-first policies, competitive tax incentives, and a system built for speed, this is where vision becomes growth. Invest in Rwanda, a home for Africans.